Still Naija 102.7. Now you position put live and direct 15 minutes dog base. Leave 10 a.m. already on top today, the 29th day of January 2024. Monday edition of Morning Runs don't come to an end. Time to reach for our backyard promos to kickstart right now. And they did all the building already. But before we waka come out fully, we got do one or two chit chat with Nedu before we come out. Nedu, how your weekend are every now?
My weekend was busy. What happened on Friday?
Now do social media.
What happened on Friday? Okay, yeah. Social media, summit, African Creator Summit. Okay, no, Friday was very busy. Recorded from to mainland and then to the summit. Yeah. So Friday. So I've been get waka. I've been shoot on Wednesday. On Friday rather. I've been shoot 2 episodes on Friday of the pod.
Oh yeah, for the season 5.
So shoot from 9 to 1, then from 1 Congo mainland go do something for one of these phone brands. Then from the phone brand go summit activities. Work on the Saturday in fact that Friday like 2 a.m. I sleep.
Now it's a sleep.
I swear down. Saturday we come down and work, then Saturday na summit too. After 9 we wear suit.
Okay, wanna dress suit. Okay.
I beg.
When I be that black suit when you wear.
That shoe with something.
No, that one na yesterday.
That one a video shoot now.
That one na video shoot now. Video. Was it yes? No, that was Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes, na Saturday. No, was it Saturday?
Na Saturday.
Na Saturday.
Na Saturday I see him. Na Saturday.
No. Well, okay, something na Thursday and Friday. Sorry, I don't make mistake. So na Saturday. Na be the shoot na Timaya.
I want ask people they actually wear that kind of shoe normally without.
Yes, na Shake style of shoe.
Heavy shoe. It like 2 feet high.
You get waiting I bring out as information for the summit. Now the second one we'll do Thursday, we'll do Friday. The second one na be Friday will be dinner. Now that second one, there were over 150 creators where they there. Now everybody get key. Now people not understand what in the key mainly there for. Now when you come, the content say the key now for your phones. So as everybody did there, as you they enter, they will give you key. You go lock your phone outside. So over 150 people there for round 12 disciples kind of table. Nobody press phone
because they don't collect phone.
So you have no choice but to come interact with
other
people.
Yeah.
Now as they interact with some people now, nobody they interact and they all carry key, spoon they play. Go. You know what's in that thing? Waiting that thing come bring out. Now say the damage with phones and social media don't do to us.
They're very high.
Forget about
because
it.
Because if they really allow phone enter, so they want corner.
Yes. So you see, because of say mobile and social media you don't lose relationships
with the real world.
Now that as come to that event, you no can't get trust, but to the follow person they talk. So how far that your wife? How far this one? How far that? You can't they talk everything where you're not supposed to talk on a norm. You just face your front. They gist.
You know, so not be just even as creators, even for husband and wife too.
Yes.
The husband go wake up in the morning. Good morning, love. You don't carry phone. They press the
wife carry phone.
Or you don't go laptop today. Good morning, love. Maybe the food is right. Okay. It's still work.
And another thing again, social media don't give us. I not go like give you. Social media don't. It as much as social media gets in good parts. For me, if you ask me, it go now one of the piece of the end of modern civilization. Can be social media. That is now one of the piece because the truth is every day social media they make you reduce your relationship with
the outside world.
With the outside world, reduce your relationship. Now they increase things where you not supposed they feel them. Now it's social media go make people they feel say marriage not they work because of things where you see on social media.
And guess what? That's just one small.
Yes. You not get anybody wey marriage dey work wey go bring am come social media.
What you want announce for now?
And how many of the people wey their marriage work actually dey on internet?
Thank you.
Like our parents now. How many of them actually?
How many of them dey internet?
Apart from Facebook, where some of them they use.
Now you can't find out say the vast majority of those wey you dey listen to na those wey things don dey too work for, where they can't live paint a particular kind of picture to you for social media. Now you dey look, and social media now don't make 19 years old girl wey never go anywhere dey feel say she don fail for life.
Because wetin she dey see,
because wetin she dey see online, her friend dey enter this flight, they enter this yacht, they do this one. 19 years old dey feel say you don fail for life. The pressure, but when anything happen, depression left, right, and center.
They ask one guy say, if because the guy say won't go for vacation, right? They can't talk say if they ask am, may you no carry phone as if they go for that vacation, and they go give him some amount of money. Wetin he go pick? Like, you go on vacation.
I no go carry phone.
The guy say, say me there no worry. Say he go carry your phone, but sponsor himself. Say how he go vacation? He no go carry phone alone.
Because this is the intention for vacation, and to post picture of people.
No, it's how will he take pictures?
So it's not even for your self satisfaction, because half of the time they try get the best picture. Time they go, you don't even enjoy yourself.
When be the last? Where be the last vacation where you go? Tell yourself the truth. You enjoy the place, abi you just take picture?
First of all,
they go vacation. Anybody where they go Benin, where I don't stay till they go.
Now,
they go
visit.
Now because of make I break this thing down. Because of social media and because of we thinking say we dey grow, not knowing say na AI they control everybody. Because of we thinking say we dey grow and because of social media, we don't lose the real value of life. For example, the place where you supposed to go vacation, now like place we get greens, where you could be one with nature of who you be. You go see
clear your head, no noise.
Clear your head, no noise. Go water fountain.
And the essence of vacation.
The essence of vacation be that. But no, now everybody want go Paris so that you go snap that Eiffel Tower. So that you go snap it. You can go London Eye, snap London, go Dubai, go you understand? You can go Snapchat, come put the location tag like per. Now you go come back. You go still say the only thing where you feed yourself of that, you feed yourself of your hunger of something where not even they really add.
You know, you look well rested.
You don't even look well rested. But imagine say you go like places like Bali, Seychelles or something. Islands where get greens, you get water, you dey one with nature. Baba, you go relax.
Your body go dey. When you concept, you go fat.
You go, Baba, the people go come where you go. You don't look fresh.
I don't tell this young man this year. They do that Benin trip. If na Benin trip,
if you sponsor, no problem.
But you for the book my ticket.
Even if na Benin, you go.
Sponsor on a body flight.
You go go by road.
Becca, now the funny thing we will not even know. R&B no need spend up to 500k to get vacation.
I get the 500k.
Hold on.
No. I get the 500k.
Understand where
you don't need up to that. Now
for you to get proper vacation where your head go rest, your mind go rest, you don't even need more than flight money.
Okay.
For Benin, I don't need flight now by road.
You dey call Benin. Go off inside Nigeria.
There are some.
Go Calabar, go Budukatu Ranch.
Yes.
Only me.
Wake up in the morning, you and clouds.
Only me.
Abeg, why you dey remind us of?
Only me.
No, now
my team of my show be that.
Only
you answer me, only me, right?
Go with your wife then.
You not get wife.
I know what.
So how I want to clear my head?
You don't get girlfriend.
Hold on.
No, you don't get girlfriend.
You dey find my mouth. I don't give you now. I don't give you.
You don't get girlfriend. The wife they watch this video. You don't get girlfriend.
The wife they watch this video.
Yes.
Okay, wife. No, girlfriend and wife now.
They look as a bit twisty, sharp, yeah.
You understand, Baba? You know that Obudu the day where I go there.
That nice story.
Say I wake up, you climb go mountain. You as if say you dey inside clouds.
That place no be na Nigeria.
You no play Nigeria.
At all.
You come be like say you and God they talk.
That place they well maintained. You know say na Donald Duke that time I really package that.
That time now I be go. You understand all those nature thing. You come up, Papa, your body go dey fresh. Don't be say you go come back. You go say no. Our style, our idea of vacation now. I say no. I have to club in Paris. After I club in Paris, I can't go take picture for here. And some people say when they even go that, if it's just say, let me go to that fountain. Let me go to the beach. When they go there and I see picture. I don't have network to post this thing now.
Anyway, last everybody try go vacation.
But there is a place you can actually go. Just spend 3 days there.
For where?
Like a buy Tropicana day here for Lagos. Go to beg you, listen to me. And every man where they out there, listen to me. I get friend when he be say everybody know. No, you know, you know. Before he do anything before, you say, Baba, my family, I never pay school fees. You go end it as it go. You go they wear rag, Papa, change this thing now. You say, oh no, it never spoil finish. Make I pay school fees.
Make I pay school fees. So take care of my children first. Yeah.
You know, say now you be the person where they make the money. You have to feed the body that makes the money.
Yeah, I know.
If you not feed the
body, I they buy clothes.
Not be buy clothes. Don't be buy clothes. If you not take care, spiritually, emotionally, and otherwise. If you not take care of you yourself, some people they lose themselves because of saying
like that will lose yourself.
You will lose yourself because of family.
I do like myself. Uncle? I cannot be like that.
You will lose yourself.
My own case never critical
then
like
go
that.
For that vacation.
You go
for lose yourself. Baba, sometime I say, man, enjoy your life.
If you listen to
drink beer, drink pepper soup. And if you want to chop pepper soup, chop pepper soup.
I talk and once they do use this, but don't say
my brother, help your life. If you think it's that new that is going to help you, go and watch new.
Anyway, sharply, so I believe everybody there aware of what happened to me last week. An update on yesterday. Even me, I did shock when this update come from Oga First PRO Olumuyiwa Adejobi when it was the policemen don't they trace to zone 2 and don't they identify. See the AIG zone 2 Lagos, they investigate the matter why the PPRO zone 2 goes to speak on as soon as possible.
Yes.
Me even reply and say they wait for them, but I never hear any feedback from this zone 2
Wonderful.
Speaking on now.
Great job.
Great.
Very great.
I have a countdown. So why they talk this one right now, I think over as that video going to the waka and monies for the carrier, somebody come and say, is it even right for policemen to be going about on mufti, stopping and stop? So you don't reiterate now. According to one quote right now, Oga Olumuyiwa Adejobi, he say you would record that we have ordered and announced that any policeman embarking on routine patrol or stop and search must be on uniform. Say the doctor can before now. Properly dressed and easily identify. It is not ideal to carry out a stop and search in mufti. The audacity to misbehave or carry out unprofessional conduct comes with you know your identity is hidden and unknown.
Yes.
I still reiterate that the policemen on stop and search routine patrol must be in uniform across the country. This is the standard in the police, and policemen in mufti are supposed to be on surveillance or undercover, not to be seen with long range gun or rifle. This is what our DPOs and HODs should emphasize and enforce to bring sanity and standardization.
Forget all these things.
But the question was, all these are English.
English, forget it.
Now today,
so
we don't talk about this thing over and over and over again. Stop. Let me tell you the truth. Baba, we will not deceive ourselves. Where there is law, there is order. Where there is law, there is order. Then already call them law and order. If even the Bible it talks say where the if the hedge is broken, the serpent will strike. Baba, if I don't know how they talk about, if you mess up for here, you go collect for here. Travel go Bodo Ibo. If more say London safe, London and Nigeria, next na Nigeria where they work.
Yes.
London there, Baba, 2 a.m. we go dey drive. Traffic not dey. Then boy your papa beat the traffic light.
You know,
because there's a system.
It's not
see Dubai, you not go see Dubai toll gate, but you dey drive past the toll gate and Ogun thunder fire you when you pass the toll gate. Then money not dey your account
to collect from.
You will be billed 10 times. Let me give you an example. If na 50 naira
you supposed to
pay. Or 500 naira now you supposed to pay. You come past that toll gate, it pay, and your balance not get 500 naira, then go charge you 5,000, 10 times of that.
So because of that now, people they make sure say
you go make sure say you get
I mean, now why did they try and link our BVN with our whatever? So that
leave BVN and NIN kidnappers. What in them they use? I not go there.
I just they try to maybe reason with that. I mean they want.
Emergency.
They do any suru. I mean about
my own listen. But the question why they ask now say all these things where our police organ don't talk. Sir, kí o ní bàjẹ́ o ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o ó bàjẹ́ tí o we just hope that pé bẹ́ẹ̀ the way you have now come and now say it sir now follow it up so that because even me they stop me.
I would dey shock say see I won't lie after that my encounter I just believe say they be kidnappers so to even come say they be real police officer even dey more fear say why police no go get ID card.
I see the video.
Are they actually police
officers? I see the video.
So the way to understand because when people come outside when I come outside people come outside say they recognize those same people.
You see
say they don collect $1,000 from one after they leave me they carry another person for front that one they beat that one inside bus collect $1,000 dollars. I don't tell that one may go with the lawyer now to zone 2 since they don't identify as a police officer. Then inside 2 weeks ago another person they catch that one. They get receipt of when they take transfer the money.
Okay.
They catch that one. They collect $3,000 dollars from me and they also beat inside motor. 3,000. That's almost 4 million naira. That one even go to police station. Yeah.
Not your guys. They carry dollar account.
Not be my guys now because now people when they see so they get you know say all these foreign people now Binance account. So they use trap. They don't even collect naira. So when does not happen? I always come my mind say no, this people cannot be police officer because why you go be police officer they collect money
from people and you collect money na Bitcoin Binance money.
What even shock me the guy one of the guys say he even go this zone 2 say go report the case when the matter happen. Those ones say since you no get evidence say they no fit identify this thief say but may he drop like 2 million may they take do investigation. He say na him make him give up but as he see the video to recognize those men right now he wan carry the video and pictures go present say see the people wey really do am. So now why even see dey more shock say so those people were really police officers for me with that event wey happen and other people dey come as I hear people say maybe na normal models of for kidnappers.
My fear my worry na say these things dey happen every time. If not be say you make video if for not see am
or maybe imagine how we shall open door
I wish say you open door only God for know wetin jaggers wey for beat you jaggers. My problem na say we get good police officers.
Yeah.
We have good police officers. How many times we go to talk about this bad egg but if Becca na good girl Becca come dey with 10 girls way bad. If Becca na bad good girl she dey with 10 girls way bad I go call Becca bad girl. Or 5 good girls I go generalize everything. I'm sorry because it's what we see every day and no consequences for these actions. I know mentors they don't stop me too. Well, this one they talk they talk if you not talk for radio you go talk for podcast to
yeah.
I will talk.
I trust you.
I think we all need to
very sorry to cut you one more. For you by old
Mama interpret.
Why interpret? And me Baba me where you see so nobody my papa teach me that thing from small be security conscious at every point in time. If I dey drive I dey look motor 2 motor wey dey my back and 2 wey dey my front and the surrounding before another I go know when they wan stop me. I dey know when motor wan stop me I go just okay I go just tell my guy those people wan stop me so I take no just dey watch it don stop and when you stop me first thing wey R&B take ask where are you from. Let me see your ID card.
Yes.
Let me see your ID. Oga.
You know, say one of them they target his ID card. As me say, choose that just stretch.
No, there be one may I bring the ID card. So most time, how they get you out of car, they'll ask you for your driver license or ID card. Once you give them, they go down to them. They don't say you not get choice to come outside again. But last everybody they very vigilant.
I try to go through the comment sections as well. They say they target cars where they stop actually. Say from Benz and all those.
From Benz upward. No, but not every car.
The person when they carry the boy when they carry car that same day when they
which kind car in the drive.
Now even by day Corolla now they take stop
and stop Uber too. I don't do Uber. I don't do for inside boat where they stop.
And I think
but I also spoke about some policemen wey stop me for that Ikoyi link Okwebi link bridge at that time too. I think sometime last year or so. So my friend give me money say make I go change. So I just changed the money na dollars. I think it was $300. Just $300. Just $300 though. These police people they come dey ask the Uber say where he carry me from number 1. He say he carry me from Mende, Maryland. Okay, where should they go? They say ask her now.
The
say she dey back and me and my friend are we dey for the back still together. So they come ask us say where will they go? I said I get appointment with my dentist, so I wan go do scaling and polishing. He come say wetin dey inside that your bag? I'm like, I don't understand.
First off, no police officer no get the right to search your bag.
The guy was like, wetin dey inside your bag? I said, you don't need to know. He say, shey you know if I carry arms? Small bag. Small.
Man, if you say you get arm wey small inside the bag.
He say I carry. He say make I show them. I say okay, I can't open am. He can't say you this small girl. Where you see this money from? I say oga, don't you ever address me as a small girl again. I say wetin be your business with this money? He say you need to know na foreign currency. Say no be our Nigerian currency. I say forget all this rubbish wey you dey talk. He say bring am, I wan check if na original. I say I just come Lagos now. I say oga.
Oh, you wan make you check whether na original?
He say he wan check if na original abi na fake. I say I just come Lagos now. I just come Lagos.
As person wey dey work for central bank now or bureau the change.
That was the thing he said. I talk am na that day.
I remember.
I say make Baba God all of them make them be shut am. Which kind rubbish? You wan take am if na original abi na fake?
See, the biggest problem we dey face as black people now, we as black people too.
Obviously.
Like we just dey wicked, and for society reason, I know say not be excuse, but for society reason, we they do all these things because of where we find ourselves.
Yeah.
Because I'm not being paid.
Excuse.
I'm not. That's what I'm saying. I'm not being paid. That's why I'm doing this. But at the end of the day, they affect your fellow black man. We don't even get each other back. That's just the truth. Because if you can treat me this way,
see, let me tell you the truth. Now, R&B na the same. You see, R&B na the same thing. Why I tell you outside. You see, R&B they talk this. All of us they talk the same because of saying na wetin we dey see all the time. It gets some people them say get voice we not go talk this thing because for their own they are okay. Nigerians they talk say I want Nigeria to be better than most of now. If you ask yourself deep down, you want Nigeria to be better for you and your family.
Not before the country.
Not before the commonwealth of the country. Not before the country. You not send anybody.
Now why the people where they tip the money to now for them?
And their family? Yes, not only for them and their family.
Yeah.
Because the gospel go say it's not my portion. Even for church itself, it's so people the prayer where they pray for churches, they dey selfish. Yes.
We are selfish.
Yes, because if you see prayer for church like this, R&B, if it's happening in the front, you are going to be at the back. If it's happening at the back, you are going to be at the front. What of those where they for front? They not be human being.
We are all selfish.
All selfish. People walk driving up and down.
Can't do your show. We don't try for you.
I believe we don't try. We'll see you tomorrow from 6 a.m. all the way to 11 a.m. Stay safe and enjoy your Monday.
Yeah, bye.